E-commerce as a business model is something that has become incredibly popular in the last couple of years. We've seen tons of businesses out there adapt from being in-person brick and mortar style stores to fully online storefronts that actually close customers at a higher rate. They get more products out the door, and just in general, it's a better business model that works more efficiently and more consistently. Now, this program that we're going to be talking about in today's video basically teaches you what you need to know to start your very own e-commerce business. This is a program that teaches you something called Amazon FBA, which is basically a program that allows you to sell your products on Amazon's storefront. This is a massively popular way to sell more products on a consistent basis and make tens of thousands of dollars a month, even if you're just pretty much a complete beginner. There's tons of people out there who have seen massive amounts of success with this business model and with programs like this out there, but ultimately the question remains, is it actually worth it to spend your time trying to learn how to start an Amazon FBA business, specifically with this program we'll be talking about? But without further ado, let's get into it. Now, Ecom Academy is a hybrid course and mentorship specifically designed for Amazon FBA. It targets people who want to launch a private label brand or land a remote FBA job with another Amazon FBA page. Now, for those of you out there who don't know what private label is, let me explain very quickly. Private label is basically where you take products from an existing supplier or a manufacturer and basically take your branding, whether that's your logo, your graphics, or even your color scheme, and basically put it onto that product and market it as your own product that's produced by your company. And of course, because of this can cause major issues with actually getting your conversion rates to a high enough point to where you're profitable. Now, this program, what it does is that it basically bundles step-by-step videos coupled alongside with live support that you can get inside of the community. And the content inside of the program is in a self-paced format, meaning that you don't have to go through everything in any specific order, or do you have to actually limit yourself to how many content modules you consume on a daily basis. Plus, there's helpful checklists inside of each of the modules to help you implement on the stuff that you're trying to build. Now, as you guys can see here, I've taken you guys to the landing page of this program. One of the very first things you're going to see here is the $99 a month price tag, which is maybe to some of you guys a little bit steep, but what I'm going to go ahead and do is show you guys the breakdown of what you actually get inside of this program. That way you don't feel like you're kind of getting led astray or that people aren't really showing you the correct things. Now, the first thing you'll see here is this video right here, which basically is going to walk you through some of the things that are inside of the program, as well as some of the features and other details involved with it. Now, one of the first things we can see down here is their Trustpilot score, which of course has a 4.8, which is very, very good. Always like to see when a Trustpilot score is at least above a 4.5, and 4.8 is pretty promising, as well as 835 reviews, which once again, very promising number there. Adds quite a bit of trust, in my opinion, to this overall program. One of the nice parts about this too is that we can actually click into this and go straight to the page and see some of the actual reviews that were posted by verified people who have actually taken the program and of course ultimately had a really good experience doing it. Now, one of the things we can actually also see here is, and this is going to be kind of one of the first main modules that we can kind of read through here, is the Our Story part of the landing page, which basically gives you kind of the reasoning behind why they started this academy and kind of gives you the idea of what the ultimate goal is after you go through it and ultimately experience what's inside of the program and how it works. If we go ahead and scroll a bit down here, we can see a couple of more things too, which are going to be their modules. This gives you a very clear idea of exactly what you're going to get inside of this program, as well as what you can expect from it. First thing here is going to be the 22 comprehensive modules outlining exactly how to be successful in 2025 and beyond with e-commerce and Amazon FBA as a whole. As you can see right here, a bunch of their modules are included with things like this, with the opportunities within Amazon FBA, success with Amazon breakdowns, Amazon FBA Seller Central, Amazon product research, right? How to do actual research to find winning products to sell to people, as well as Amazon FBA product validation, where you basically kind of learn how to validate certain products and learn which products sell and which products don't. Then there's also the other module here where you'll have Amazon FBA sourcing, where you'll basically have an entire sourcing operation completed by Amazon and basically figure out what products to sell. Also, there's a Meet the Founders tab where we can actually learn a little bit more about who Dan Voss is, how he got started in e-commerce, and what the whole purpose of this program is, as well as what you can expect to learn from him. This is always kind of nice, I think, with certain course programs. It's really nice to actually see what the founder looks like, and it's not just a faceless person that we know, nothing about. So I think this adds a lot of trust here and really kind of helps me understand a little bit more about who potentially I could be working with. And there's also their testimonial section where they basically have their students and the reviews that their students have posted, as well as helpful videos that you can watch to see what their students have said about the program, how they've actually achieved results, and what their overall experience was with using this program and having that experience. And then there's also the ability to see even more reviews and of course ultimately see what other people are saying about this program as well. If we go even further down here, we can see obviously some of the other things that who this e-commerce platform is built for, how people can actually learn how to scale their Amazon FBA storefront. And of course, there's also ultimately things that you might be considering before starting to sell on Amazon FBA. Up next here, we have their transparent pricing plan. This is basically where they're going to go ahead and outline everything you get inside of this course program. As you can see, it's $99 a month for the one-on-one mentorship option of this, which is kind of like their community offer where you can kind of interact with Dan and ask him questions and kind of get feedback on things. And there's also the option of if you just want the course itself without the one-on-one mentorship, there is the $297 course enrollment fee, which basically just comes with the course itself without the one-on-one mentorship with it, which in my opinion, it's actually kind of helpful to show a pricing model like this, just so that way we understand exactly what we can get and break down, the types of things that we're looking for and what we want and what we don't want. There's also a huge discount that you'll get with a 1-year mentorship for about 50% off, and that's going to come in around $600 here. As you can see, you enter in your name, email address, billing zip code, all that kind of stuff. Enter in your either Google Pay or you can use a credit card, and then hit that enroll button. And of course, all of this is powered by Stripe, so payments are secure and encrypted. You don't have to worry about entering your credit card into some sketchy platform. This makes it just so much easier. And of course, there's also the ability to cancel anytime where you don't have to worry about getting charged over and over again for that $99 a month fee. Plus, there's also the ability, of course, to get lifetime access to the course program, so you never have to worry about losing access to it. Now, as you can see down here, they also have a goal, and just to top this all off, they have a really nice FAQ section here where basically you can check out what kind of questions are being asked by people most commonly, and ultimately they have answers to those questions. That way you don't have to worry about coming up with these answers on your own, and it just kind of makes things a little bit easier and ultimately more transparent. That's pretty much it for the Ecom Academy review. In my opinion, this course is a super solid offer. They have a really ton of stuff that you can choose from inside of this program in terms of learning how to successfully do Amazon FBA. If you guys are at all interested in getting started with this program, I would highly recommend using that link down in the description to get started. If you guys have any questions about this program, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Also, please remember that the links down in the description are affiliate links and we could financially benefit from them at no extra cost to you. So thank you in advance for supporting more videos just like this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.